Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a text shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Fusion and add a text plus node to start creating a shake effect. Now type your text in the inspector panel and adjust it as needed. And to create a shake effect, go to Shading and right-click Offset X and expand and modify width and select Shake. Now go to modifiers and adjust the smoothness to zero point 0.1 and maximum to zero point 0.1 to control a shake intensity. To make shake look smoother, go to settings and enable this motion blur and set the shutter angle to 360. And that's it. You've successfully added a text shape effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.